This is the first full day back since we were on vacation in Asheville, North Carolina. And we did hit, I don't know, I'm going to say around 36 degrees, but I'm not sure. And I just wanted to take a tour of some of the things that got hit. This is my vitex tree or chaste tree, and it does not like the cold. You can see the leaves turned curled up and brown, but this will come back like a champ. Another casualty are my bananas. I have 2 here and 1 at the front of the house, and they don't like the cold either. These don't look like they're killed fully off, but it's going to be really difficult for them to produce food. So I'm not sure if I need to cut them back or whatever, but they were only teeny little babies last year when they died back to the ground. I could cover them with a pot, but this year they were too big, so I couldn't. Anyway, we'll have to see if they come back. I would think that some pups will sprout from the bottom. Another thing that took a big hit were a lot of my crepe myrtles. So these look really bad, but they too, if I cut them down in February, not now because that'll promote new growth, and then it'll get cold again and then they'll die back again. So I'll just leave it like this until February, and right now it's November, middle of November, so it's going to be an eyesore for a little while if I can resist. But they will come back, no problem, because usually you murder your crepe myrtles anyway. So they're bushes and they're used to being cut all the way back down. So as we pan over this way, this always takes a big hit too. This is my firebush. I have these, there are actually 2 here. This is a little baby that came off of that one that I really wanted to move, and maybe this is a good time to do it. But this always gets knocked back in the 30-degree weather, 37 or so. And but it will come back like a beast in the springtime. And these are my false agaves. They died back. I should have covered them with a, if I was here, I would have covered them with a garbage can. They will also come back. They're not dead in the middle, but they definitely died back. These are my seniorita, rosalita, cleomes, and I'm hoping they come back in the spring. I don't know, this is my first year for them, so we shall see. So now most of the time this dies back, and it does have a little bit of freeze damage or cold damage, but it's still a little bit more protected here. And so it didn't die all the way down to the ground. I have a bunch of them that they always come back, but they don't look so great this time of year. Here's another. This is my cat palm, and it does look like it suffered some cold damage, but I think they can get down to 15 degrees. Here's some heliconias too that look like they took a little bit of a cold hit, but I think they'll be fine.